Actor Sanjay Dutt is looking forward to begin his second innings in Bollywood after completion of his jail term, and he says from now on he will sign films on the merit of its content and not as a favor. The 56-year-old actor was released from Punjawada jail last month after he was granted remission in his 5-year sentence. Mr. Dutt said he wants to bring a change in the kind of movies that are being made in the Hindi film industry. "I am going to do great cinema from now on. I will not do any movie as a favor to anyone or out of compulsion. I want to make a difference and I want to change the genre in the film industry," Mr. Dutt said. The actor said he has 3 films coming up, one with Siddharth Anand, one with Vibhu Vinod Chopra, and the third Manna Bhai film. In Siddharth's film, I play a mature, action hero. Vibhu's film is about the relationship between a father and daughter. "We will begin shooting Manna Bhai 3 in 2017, he said. Filmmaker Rajkumar Hirani, who directed Mr. Dutt in Manna Bhai MBBS, Lage Raho Manna Bhai in Park, is now collaborating with Mr. Dutt on his biopic, besides the third Manna Bhai film. He said he is waiting to see how Rajkumar Hirani shows his life in just 2 hours in a film. "I don't know how much he will be able to put in the film in just 2 hours. I don't think it is going to be enough," he said. Besides his movies, Mr. Dutt said he's also enjoying his time with his children, Ikra and Sharon, and attending their school functions. "They were 2 years old when I went to jail, so I missed many occasions.